In today's used market, $15,000 puts you at a critical crossroads where every decision has long-term financial consequences. $15,000 is enough to buy a dependable transportation plan or a newer-looking car with an expensive surprise already developing. Achieve lower risk by prioritizing understandable engines, serviceable transmissions, affordable tires, and enough used inventory to walk away from neglected examples. We have selected 10 vehicles where the engineering is proven and predictable. While they may lack the flashy technology of newer rivals, their conventional configurations significantly reduce your mechanical uncertainty. Evaluating these options requires looking past the model name and focusing on the specific configuration and the vetting process required to prove a car's health. At this price point, current condition is more important than factory reputation. A well-maintained, average economy car will consistently outlast a neglected legend. Number 10 is the 2016 to 2018 Ford C-Max Hybrid, which typically sells between $8,000 and $14,000. Look specifically for the standard hybrid while skipping the energy plug-in version entirely to avoid higher complexity. This model offers excellent interior space and a robust Toyota-style hybrid operation, though you must account for the health of an aging hybrid battery and the limited part support for a discontinued nameplate. Number 9 is the 2014 to 2016 Ford Fusion. In this case, targeting the 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine is the smartest move, as it avoids the complexity of Ford's EcoBoost alternatives. Vetting a Fusion requires a close inspection of the 6-speed automatic transmission and steering components, along with a careful check to avoid cars with heavy-duty fleet histories. Number 8 is the 2016 Scion IM, found between $10,000 and $15,000. This car provides a reliable Toyota mechanical foundation in a versatile hatchback body. Since it only had a single model year, you must be selective. Search for a strictly stock vehicle and prioritize examples with documented CVT fluid servicing. These entries succeed by offering understandable engineering. Any qualified mechanic can service these systems without needing specialized dealership tools. Number 7 is the 2014 to 2017 Toyota Prius C. Its compact size and proven hybrid architecture make it an ideal choice for high-efficiency city driving. To manage the risk, you must secure a battery health report and verify that the battery cooling fans haven't been neglected by previous owners. At number 6, the 2015 to 2018 Honda Fit offers class-leading interior flexibility and excellent visibility, making it a highly practical daily driver. Ensure the transmission fluid has been maintained and check for direct injection deposits and potential water intrusion into the cabin before buying. Number 5 is the 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3 with the 2.0-liter engine. This configuration pairs a conventional 6-speed automatic with driving dynamics that feel more premium than its economy car rivals. Be prepared for moderate road noise and perform a thorough rust inspection if you are shopping in a cold weather climate. These cars provide specific benefits like high fuel economy or engaging handling. However, they only remain low-risk options if you verify the cooling and injection systems are in good health. This scorecard breaks down number 4, the 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder offers a large cabin and excellent highway economy with massive aftermarket support. Watch out for missing CVT fluid changes and common starter motor failures. Because this is a high-volume model, you should also be highly suspicious of hidden collision damage. Number 3 is the 2014 to 2018 Toyota Corolla. This is the industry benchmark for low operating costs and simple, everyday reliability. The biggest risk here is unintentionally purchasing a former rental car, or one that has been repaired with low-quality body panels after an accident. In a market with high supply, your best strategy is to be ruthlessly selective. You have the leverage to walk away from any car that lacks a perfect service history. Number 2 is the 2013 to 2015 Honda Civic with the 1.8-liter engine. It offers inexpensive routine maintenance and widespread mechanic familiarity. Reject any modified examples immediately. Verify the exact transmission type by the model year and ensure the air conditioning is blowing cold before making an offer. Our top spot goes to the 2013 to 2017 Toyota Camry. It wins because of its extremely conventional 2.5-liter drivetrain and the massive used inventory available. Your final vetting steps for a Camry involve checking the water pump, verifying the oil level, and ensuring the 6-speed automatic shifts smoothly without hesitation. The Camry offers the highest probability of financial predictability, provided you take the time to find an LE or XLE trim with complete maintenance records. Neglected fluids or cut-rate body repairs will transform even the most reliable Toyota or Honda into a significant financial burden. This chart illustrates the value of documentation. While repair costs remain predictable for cars with full service histories, they increase sharply for vehicles with an unknown or neglected past. A clean title and an independent professional inspection are the only real safety nets available when buying in the used market. The most complete paper trail in the glove box determines the safest car on the road. Lowering your ownership risk is an active choice you make at the time of purchase.